She wants to interact with everyone. She wants to talk with everyone. She wants to take part in the different activities.
I can say a lot of things, recognizing all uppercase and lowercase letters in English, again an achievement. So overall, in terms of the studies, he is doing good.
She has become very responsible towards studies. Like I have to study. She automatically take out सब book कि मुझे पढ़ना है, मम्मा मुझे पढ़ने दो, आप मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत करो.
Ma'am, there are a lot of changes that have happened in her.
मतलब पहले बहुत सहमी रहती थी, अब वो बोलने लगी है लोगों के बीच में. क्लास में भी मैम को देखती है तो इतना एक्साइटेड हो जाती है कि वो अनम्यूट करके कि बार-बार बोलने की कोशिश करती है.
Engaging her, that's really nice, you know. Her time is not being wasted in a lot of other things. वो 1 or 2 hours that she invests in it is pretty good, very well engaged.
डांस क्लास होती है, एरोबिक्स क्लास होती है, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट की क्लास होती है, फुल एंजॉय करते हैं मैडम.
I'm not giving him 100% of time, but yes, that live assembly he is enjoying definitely.
It was good.
She's a bit more on the creative end, तो उसको ये सब करने में मजा आता है, so good for me as well.
The Minama posted about the sack race.
Yes.
So what we did, we took a cloth bag.
Yes.
And we made a sack out of it, and he wanted it very well. मतलब he enjoyed it.
जो भी आप भेजते हैं, जो भी आता है कार्यक्रम, वो ये सब इजी से कर पाता है.
So the other schools have like a half an hour session or a 40-minute session, but this is like 10 to 11, 12 to 1, where she has like there is a plan to her day and there is a routine set.
I think the classes are also pretty interactive. She's always been very enthusiastic about classes. उसको join करना ही है.
It's full of the experiential learning because it includes the rhymes, it includes the daily activities, including the family time, dinner, lunch, and the art and crafts. And the sham tips also have been included in this work. And the sham tips are really, they are going very well.
Indeed, a very, very good plan. It covers the entire day and covers all the aspects which a child should be doing in a day, you know, including what she should eat in the breakfast, to how she should sleep and type of stories she should listen and rhymes and activities and everything. So the routine is absolutely brilliant. It's very good.
बच्चा ग्रो कर रहा है, बच्चा एंजॉय करता है. पहले ये आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को खुद नहीं कर पाता था, मेरी हेल्प चाहिए होती थी, और अब इसको खुद से ही लगा रहता है कि मैं खुद सब कुछ कर लूंगा. सीजर भी खुद यूज करनी है, और मतलब सैंडविच भी उस दिन से खुद मेक किया खुद से, तो इसको खुद से लगा रहता है कि मैं खुद अब सब कुछ अपने आप कर लूंगा.
She enjoys hee-ha, madam's hee-ha. Initially she says a rhyme, no? It's Monday, hee-ha.
It's Monday today, yes it is. Hee-ha!
Art and craft, he loves art and craft.
You know, the activities which you people put in the family time, they are really nice activities. In fact, you know, there was one activity which was you know, knitting a story or something like that.
Color concept, like everything, what be it his toy or like tomato, anything he picks up and he tells this is red color, yellow color. Though he get confused between yellow and orange, but at least he tries.
मैम को देख के वो बहुत खुश होती है. वो मैम,
My teacher.
She likes her teacher. I wanted to say.
10 out of 10. There's no shortcomings in it. As a parent, I don't see it.
मैडम 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
The teachers are also very nice, humble, and very supportive. So I would definitely recommend this school.
स्कूल अच्छा है, और मैडम जैसे हम लोग आपसे इंटरेक्ट हुए हैं, आपसे बातचीत होती है, तो मैडम भी अच्छी है, स्टाफ भी सारा अच्छा है.
This is the best school. Concepts and all, they're teaching in a very nice manner. I have told to my manager also in my office. She wanted to put one of her son. So otherwise, I recommended her also. Like this timing is like for the working couples, it's fine. 9 to 5 timings you're offering. That is also the plus point in Champar.
And my husband went there. मतलब एक अंदर से एक gut feeling है, yeah, this is the school that Yuvan wants, that is suitable for the Yuvan. Be it the infrastructure wise that we have seen, be it the many things, मतलब be it the cake, the birthday room that you guys have, अलग से we liked it, and even the small dolls that we have made for especially for the children.